Hello everyone. Welcome to Studio Cafe 315. I'm Roseanne Perla from Stampin' Up. I'm a Stampin' Up independent demonstrator. And I have my class coming up May 30th. It is virtual and I will have a date. It will be shortly after May 30th. I'm going to put that up on my website, studiocafe315.com. But I wanted to show you the beautiful projects that you can make with this class. It's amazing. This one is an envelope card, and this ties in a bow. It goes right in there. It has a gift card and a place. You can even fit a recipe card on here. This would make a great shower card, a great birthday card. I love giving recipes or making things for people for their birthdays. The next one is the strawberry jam card, and June is strawberry month here in New York State. And that is, you can see the window. It's all put together so well. I cut all the pieces for you. And you will have the stamps available, so you don't have to buy the stamp set if you're doing this in person. If you're doing it virtually, I recommend you purchase the stamp set. But I will give you all the pieces, a PDF, and video to put these together, because sometimes the videos really help when you see things in person. This is the third card, and it's so cute. It is almost the same size. It's about 5 inches instead of 5.5. So it will fit in a regular envelope. And I love the honey bear. You're the sweetest. And I didn't put any message inside. It has the little bees and lots of detail. So lots of layers. I will cut all of these pieces. There are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The layer 10, the card 11, and then 12, 13. So 13 pieces. That's roughly normal for my cards. It's a lot of die cutting. And this one is a lot of pieces as well, and this one as well. But what I really want to show you is what a great gift this would make for your son or daughter or a niece or nephew with family recipes in it. It will hold probably at least 20 recipe cards. And I made these simple. I didn't add ribbons to them because you don't want them to have ribbon on them. And I will let you stamp the fruits. You choose what you want to stamp on them. They are double-sided, so you can really fit all the directions on the recipe card. It kills me when you have these little recipe cards that you can't fit anything on them. And I will give you a little recipe outline so that you know like what to include, title, etc., temperature and everything. But if you have your recipes, you know that. If you cook, you know that. Sharing your treasured family recipes is really, really important. And I know my daughter, she has asked me many times, you know, how do you make your sauce? How do you do this? And I've had to verbally give her the recipes, and then I would go and write them down. I want to have them all in one place for her. I have made several little holiday books for her, like Christmas recipes, how to do Thanksgiving, and even how-tos, things that I include for Thanksgiving, etc. So you will put together just putting the tabs on them and giving them a little stamping on these, and then this recipe box, which has magnets. It shuts, doesn't open up. See that? It's really well made, decorated. I use the sunflower embossing folder. And so again, all the pieces, you will just be putting this together. You'll be folding it and putting it together. But then I give you the PDF with all of the details. My last thing is this treat box. This is a 5x5 box approximately, and it has a belly band. It's a great thank you gift But you don't have to use thank you. You can use I have other stamps that you can use instead. I would use homemade for you. But if you want to use it as a non-food box, I purchased online, I found made in the US non-toxic window sheets for this. This has the regular window sheet, but you're not putting food on this card. But this, you do want a non-toxic window sheet. And they were hard to find. I couldn't find them in some of the box stores that you would normally find craft items and baking items. So I purchased these so that you have the window sheets. And then we'll put a link in the description with the class of these window sheets. It's a great box. You can add some deli tissue or bakery tissue in there and then put your goodies in a plastic bag, I would say, because you don't want, them to touch the paper and soil the paper. So I am giving you with this class, this box, all created for you. And I am giving you also, my gift as a thank you is my thumbprint cookie recipe. And if you know me, I am a great baker, but I'm a great meal prep and cook. I love to cook. Of course, Italian is my thing by nationality that I make a lot of. But jam thumbprint cookies are my favorite. One of my favorites. I love cookies. Doesn't matter what kind of cookie. I haven't met a cookie that I don't like. So come sign up for this class. Do it virtually. You'll get the same gifts as well. No different. Just that you would need to do your own stamping. And I will give you all of the pieces. You don't have to cut a thing. Okay, which is wonderful. I love classes that you don't have to cut anything. They are the best and the easiest to put together. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting. Sign up. I will have all the links in this video. I forgot a couple of things. The class in person is May 30th in the Syracuse area. You can come from wherever you'd like. Binghamton, Ithaca, Utica, Oneida, Rochester, you name it. Come, do this class. You will have a fun time. And it is on May 30th. It's from 10 a.m. to 1. It's a 3-hour class. And it is at Navarino Orchards. It's on Cherry Valley Turnpike. And it is not far from Skinny Atlas, New York. So you can make a day out of it, spend the rest of the afternoon exploring the area. There are wineries. There are a lot of things to do in the area. Thanks for watching.